Much smarter than last one. Didn't I tell you they were in here? Chief Eagle Feather, you know your people shouldn't be in this car.
We have permission to be here.
Oh, really? Where's your reservation?
In South Dakota.
They're nothing but a bunch of savages. Savages? Where?
All right, come on, gather your things. Get back to your own car. I wonder who told them they could be in here.
Who do you think? A certain scruffy little prairie chicken named Annie Oakley. Is something wrong? This is all her fault. She's caused nothing but trouble from the moment she joined us 6 weeks ago. I already said I was sorry about little Jake setting fire to your wig, didn't I?
If only she hadn't been wearing it at the time.
Charlie Davenport, I insist you give her a piece of your mind.
Why don't you give her a piece of your mind, Ollie, if you think you can spare it?
Oh, why, thank you. You really hate me, don't you? He sure does. Oh, why do you hate poor Miss Tate? Why does everybody hate poor Miss Tate? That does it. Either that person goes or I stay.
I know she seems mean and heartless, but deep down, deep down, she really is a completely rotten person.
First proper supper in the dining car ahead. Ain't you two gonna eat supper? I hear tell that kissing can give you a mighty fine appetite.
The only time we could be alone is while Dolly's eating.
What's she got to do with it? Oh, she's dead set against Marcy and
On
Tommy.
account of me being half Indian.
Well, what's the other half?
Irish.
No, and I'm half Irish myself.
No fooling!
Yeah, Tommy, don't let Dolly get you down. Indians are real fine folks. It's the Irish I'm not too sure about. Oh, I almost forgot. I saved this for you. I cut it out of the newspaper. Says something real nice about you. About me? Well, no fooling! Aren't you going to read it now? No, I think I'm just going to save it for dessert. Little Jake, ain't it about time to do some homework? I'm hungry, Annie. Homework is important, little Jake. How is a person going to learn how to read if you don't teach me how? I'm so hungry, Annie. All right, fine. We'll go fill you up, and then you can teach me how to read. It's no use, Tommy. We can't get married. We don't have a plug nickel between us.
Stop fretting, Winnie. Money's not gonna buy what we're gonna have.
You mean poverty?
It's not how much you have, Winnie. It's who you share it with. What if, my dear, will be yours when the sun shines and when it pours? Summer, winter, fall or spring, 50-50 in everything. Haven't got much, even that much to my name. Fortune's door shut, can't get it, but just the same. My ear for music, my feet for dancing, my lips for kissing, I'll share it all with you. My sense of humor, my disposition, my rosy future, I'll share